Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with
RoRo.Rainy.
Today I'm going to be using the Freeman Renewing Cucumber Peel Off Gel Mask. So I got this from Five Below and it works. It's for normal to combo skin. I'm just gonna be putting this on my T-zone today because that's really what I need it on. I know that it doesn't look like my face is bad, but I have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads, and there is some acne, so yeah, give this video a like. Disclaimer, I'm going to show like the actual peel at the very end, so if you don't like seeing that kind of stuff and you're not a sicko like me, then just watch until that part, and I'll put a little clip right before it to say it's coming. So yeah, hopefully we get some good stuff out of my face because there is a lot to come from. Okay, I'm back. Got the dogs handled, sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this to my T-zone. I think I already said that. And let it dry and hopefully get a lot of stuff and gross gunk out. So, I haven't used this in a while, but I do remember that it's not like amazing, but it still like gets some stuff out, so why not use it again? Okay, so I'm just gonna pull my hair back in a nice tight hair tie. I don't really care, that's a lovely ponytail. Then I'm gonna start with like a quarter-sized amount, I guess. Stop it. Stop. Got it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna apply this to my T-zone. Oh my god, it's so thick. Oh my gosh. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, and I'm gonna really make sure I get in all the crevices. And on this side of my nose, I have a huge whitehead, and it's really, really annoying. So, yeah, that better be pulled out. Okay, just bringing that in. Now, I don't recommend this if you have one, either a very sensitive nose, or two, a very sensitive skin type, because it smells very strong. And I totally have like 4 hairs in this already. Hold on, I'm gonna go get a thingamajiggy. So I'm just gonna use a regular little headband and get out as much hair as possible first. Ew, it's like all in it. Okay, that's good enough. So now that I'm looking extra hot, that was close to my eyebrow. Oh my god, that was stressful. I have a lot of acne, like activity underneath my eyes actually, so I'm gonna make sure I get this eyebrow missing. I mean, not eyebrow, mustache missing. And I know it seems like I'm putting a lot on, but like really I need like a nice thick layer because I want it to all come off at once and be super satisfying, you know? And you can't accomplish that if you have a very thin layer, so I'm not just going thick, I'm going thick with 3 C's. Okay, so then I went ahead and applied it to my chin as well, because that has a lot of blackheads in it as well. So now I'm just gonna let this dry and then I'll be back for the peeling off satisfaction. So this is all dry and it's starting to peel away at my mouth. So yeah.
Oh, that part was wet. Oh. Okay, hold on. Where is the edge? Also, sorry about the background noise. My mom is cooking dinner. Well, heating leftovers. Okay, so right here is the part of my nose that was painful because of a whitehead, so very excited to peel that part off. Ooh. Oh no, it didn't come out. That's lovely. Alright, there was a little left on my chin. I hope that there's some stuff in this, but I feel like it's not really doing anything. Ooh, that feels weird. Alright, we're all done. Hold on, I'm first gonna like see if there even is anything gross. I see a lot of hairs, so that's good. Was there? There's pink on this. Don't know what that's from. Oh my gosh. There's like barely anything. Okay, well I'm gonna show you what I can find. So, disclaimer, it's coming. So if you get grossed out by anything like this, which there's barely anything, then close out the video now. Thanks for joining us. Love you. Bye.
Now for all you gross people like me, alright, so there's, what am I doing? There we go. Can you even see it? There's a couple little spots from my nose, but I don't think you can even see them. Huh. Well. I will not say that this was a waste of money, because it did feel very nice and refreshing to take off and stuff. But like, We should have gotten up more stuff. A couple little baby things. No, it's too bright. You can't even see it. It's too tiny. Oh. Yeah, you can see there is like a couple little things, but that's going in the trash. It's not satisfying. And it also left like a lot of undry spots, and this was on my face for literally half an hour, so that's kind of annoying. What's the dry time? 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, that's literally double. And I know I did put a thick layer on, but like still 30 minutes for it to literally do nothing is kind of annoying. But like whatever. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. And sorry that there wasn't anything that good to see. Yeah, I want to try this on my mom because she has like really big pores. But her skin is too sensitive for the very, very strong scent of cucumber. So, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like me. Hit it. If you're new, subscribe. If you are already subscribed, hit that bell notification button to get notified every time that I post. If you like these kind of videos, then give this video a like. And the question of the day is, what's your favorite food? My favorite food will be at the top of the description box below. And yeah, love you guys.